Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Z650 with ABS brakes. This lightweight twin-cylinder streetfighter just arrived with only 3,900 miles. Perfect showroom condition. It's got frame sliders, tank pads, fender eliminator. This bike has been lowered. So if you're a little bit shorter rider, you are gonna love this thing. We're gonna let it go quick and easy for only $55.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.